So, picture this. A kit you can use at home that claims it will smooth your hair, tame frizz, straighten curls, and give you that glossy, just left the salon look. All without formaldehyde. That's what LuminoLiss says. They say it works on all hair types, even bleach or color-treated, and the results can last for weeks. Here's what the good side looks like. In an independent review, the product surprised someone who expected little. After applying it, blow-drying and flat-ironing, their hair looked noticeably smoother and shinier, frizz was down, and styling time cut in half. But the caution side. The process isn't as simple as a leave-in mask. There's a full routine, including heat sealing, good tools, ventilation, and aftercare like sulfate-free shampoo. Some users with very coarse or tight curls said the straight effect was real, but not pin-straight salon level. Also, there are mixed reviews about how long it really lasts. The brand says maybe up to 3 months, but many users say results faded sooner. So, is it a scam? No. It appears legit in the sense that you will get a real treatment that improves smoothness and shine for many users. But is it a total replacement for a professional salon keratin smoothing on every hair type? Also no. If you have weaker or less manageable hair and you're fine with moderate results, it could be a strong at-home option. If you expect full salon-grade straightening and long-lasting permanence, manage your expectations. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews.